What is the only cryptocurrency that you should invest?
DogeCoin!
It's the people's currency, you know it's the best.
Please buy!
The most fun and ironic crypto, that is for sure.
So crypto!
We're taking DogeCoin to the moon.
To the moon!
And if a broker says,
listen, you can't get rich with Dogecoin,
say stonks. But even Daddy Elon knows it's the time to join.
Much fun!
Cause
Fate loves irony.
therefore we're passing Bitcoin soon.
Elon Gene Snoop!
Take this little puppy to the moon. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, never sell.
Much rich!
Buy more, buy more, buy more, buy more, it's doing well.
Such high!
Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, never sell.
Much value!
Rising, 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 I can tell.
Very trading!
Shut up and take my money. This meme coin is looking funny. Let's make history together. In Doge we trust.
Much trust!
Jump on the hype train, bros. Cause even Snoop Doge knows it's going up. Don't drop it when it's hot. Doge is the only cryptocurrency that you should invest.
DogeCoin!
It's the people's currency, you know it's the best.
Please buy!
The most fun and ironic crypto, that is for sure.
So crypto!
We're taking DogeCoin to the moon. DogeCoin to the moon. DogeCoin to the moon. DogeCoin to the moon. DogeCoin to the moon.
Alright, welcome back to another episode of Dream Tank CV and Anna and Moria Madness. Alright, legit. Alright, so the server crashed. Our OBS said that the server we were using crashed. So, rip the server. So, hopefully, it stops crashing and we can stay connected. Alright, legit. We couldn't do nothing about that. I was like, alright. It is what it is. Also, we're trying to push back up. DogeCoin 3553. So that's good. That's good. We're testing the 200 EMA. Bitcoin is now testing its 200 EMA. Also, we just got a higher high for DogeCoin and Bitcoin. So technically, we have broken the bearish structure. Now we've entered a bullish structure on the 1 minute for Dogecoin and Bitcoin. So this is good. Let's see how far we can go up and keep this bullish structure to the upside before we consolidate it, drop and consolidate again. Alright, so this is good. We entered a bullish structure on the 1 minute. So hell yeah. Hope y'all doing good, chat. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into some games. Alright, so we're just gonna see what's up. 35.62. Yeah, we're pushing back up. That's all good. So yes, we are in a bullish structure for Dogecoin and Bitcoin because we have a higher high now. We have definitely broken our bearish structure for Dogecoin and Bitcoin. That doesn't mean we can't break our bullish structure. That you know, we could break this bullish structure and get a new lower low. All right. So to put that into perspective, Miguel Albert says we back. Yo, what up, brother? Yeah, we back. The server we were using crashed, so I don't know, but we have a bullish structure for Dogecoin and Bitcoin, so that's good. So hopefully the server that we're using doesn't crash again. If it does, then we'll try to bring it right back up, you know, and it stopped crashing. But in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and jump into a couple of comp games in the meantime and queue up and see how things go. And see if we can gain a little bit of rank while the price is rising. See if our rank can rise as prices rises as well. I need my rank to rise and stop dipping. My rank keeps dipping. It's unreal. The dip is real on the rank. The dip is real. I'm trying to buy the dip on the rank, man. But man, it keeps dipping. But with 35.74 Dogecoin. All right, we're moving up. We moved above the 200 EMA. So that's bullish, and like I said, we are in a bullish structure, so that is also bullish. Someone's getting zapped. Someone's definitely getting zapped right now. Rip them. Getting zapped. All right, let's see. In the meantime, while we are queuing up, let's see if anybody else is saying anything. In the meantime, while we're here, well, if we switch over, because we're in the game, just so you know. Alright, legit. Right when I say that. 35.75 Dogecoin. Alright, let's get it. Hope y'all doing good, chat. Hell yeah.
I will not leave a broken world behind.
I still have much to learn. Safety's off. Cruel world out there.
All right.
You have invaded my heart.
What you know? What the hell? All right, let's rock over. We got this.
3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming.
To Squid Games, yeah. Yo, what the fuck is going on? What is going on over here? Why didn't he come down? That was dumb.
Good kitty.
What's our tank doing? Motherfucker just went AFK for a little bit.
You're powered up. Get in there.
No, dude.
Огонь по готовности.
I'm on fire.
You'll have to try harder than
That was rough.
50 seconds remaining.
I should have waited to give it to the Ryan. Okay, he's alive. You're alive. Okay, cool. Point, point. Oh man, who's on? Nobody's on point.
I still have some fight in me.
Winnable. Nice job.
I have you. Keep fighting. Score 0-0. Switching sides. Honest work is never done.
Follow my lead. More of these than I can count.
The regions of Earth are so varied. But one human lifespan is not enough to see it all.
All right, DogeCoin pushing up 35.77. All right, let's rock. We got this. I'm probably gonna die. GG. Good luck next tips. That's all, bro. Yo, 35.87. We're about to see 36 cents again. What'd they say? My team mad about the real Slim Shady. I don't know what's going on. $35.88. Let's go Dogecoin. Bitcoin 101K, $168.08. We have a bullish linear channel for Dogecoin and Bitcoin. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is good. All right. All right, so we are now. Oh, I gotta change. Where's the record? Okay, we're getting wrecked. Our connection's getting wrecked. Rip connection. All right, we're back to green. All right, I forgot to reset the record. All right, we are 1-0. All right, legit. All right, we're gonna keep it going. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. We'll see you on the next episode of Anna and Mori of Madness. Yeah, take it easy, buddy. Later. Okay, legit. Yo, 35.92 Dogecoin. We're trying to pump it up. That's nice. What does that look like on the 15-minute? Okay, that looks a little bit interesting on the 15-minute. All right, it's trying to test the 20 EMA on the 15-minute. As you can see, it's testing the 20 EMA. Stalker size high. Let's see if it can break up above the 20 EMA and not get rejected. If we do, then that's good. If we can back above, we could go back above into our previous first purple box, which is between 36.70 and 39 cents, basically. All right. Interesting. Let's see what happens. The stock RSI, not the stock RSI, but the 20 EMA line is look like it's trying to curve to the upside. It's not trying to do to the ground anymore. It's actually trying to curve, like this, trying to curve. So if we could just curve and then move above the 20 EMA, it'll push to the upside, and it'll turn bullish. So let's see what happens. All right. Hope y'all doing good. Yo, 35.93 Dogecoin. Still pushing. We're about to hit 36 cents. This is pretty good. Let me know if you're cold, alright, honey? Okay, legit. It's like, yo, this is weird. I'm cold, but I'm sweating. Like, what, dude? I'm doing the opposite of what I'm supposed. What? I'm not cold, but I'm sweating. That makes no sense. I mean, it does make sense, but still, what the hell? Stop it, body. Stop being crazy. Let's see what this guy's saying real quick. All right. While we queue up. He's talking about BTC. He's talking about BTC on the 6 hour right now. BTC on the 6 hour.
But then in his arrogance, he often looks for credit. He he screams for affection, right? So why not? He's got himself in the crypto world. He's looking for everybody's approval in the crypto world.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and queue up and see what he got to say. When we jump into a game, we're gonna switch it over just so y'all know. All right, legit.
Usually, what people expect the market to do, you get the opposite effect. Usually, in other words, we pumped the news of Trump's inauguration and the effect that he's going to have on the market. But the argument is that he's already had the effect, and the effect that you've seen on the chart, that's it. That's what you get. Okay, the pump we got from November after he got elected up to now. I mean, that's the Trump pump. That is the Trump pump. I think everybody's still looking for the Trump pump, and my take is that we've seen it, that this is potentially a top of crypto. Okay, now we're gonna talk about other scenarios, but let me start here.
He said the top of crypto. Oh shit! What is he saying? That's too funny.
See, I'm expecting this low to get taken, but what's gonna happen after that? That's where we're now coming. All right, so I think everybody's expecting a Trump pump, and I think it's probably not a good idea. Why? Because this was the Trump pump. Now we got the inauguration. We're going to get the Trump dump, okay? More than likely. Remember, you buy the news and you sell the event. So that's why we're dumping. More than likely, guys, that's exactly what's going on this weekend. We are dumping into the inauguration.
Okay, so he thinks we'll dump back into $75,000. He's looking at the 6 hour, and he said there was a Trump pump from like 50 to 90,000, and now it's gonna drop down to like $75,000. We'll see what happens. That's pretty funny. What the hell, Bobby? Oh, there we go. That's too funny.
So, anyway, I'm bearish, guys. I am bearish. I think any correction that we get is just going to be a correction.
He's bearish. Okay, let's see what happens.
Looking for more downside. So we're
bullish no matter what, because we move with or without you. Look at Bitcoin already trying to move on the 1 minute. Dogecoin 36 cents. Dogecoin again. Let's go. This guy's about to get wrecked.
If I were to call a top, this is an area that would have a real potentiality for toppy formation. Okay.
He's calling top before we even had euphoria. We haven't even had euphoria yet, and he's already calling for a top. That's how you know that's the bottom, because we haven't even had euphoria yet.
It's also the same formation we saw at the top of the COVID, right before COVID dumped. It's the same formation we saw right at the top there. It's a 1-2-1-2. Actually, it's not a 1-2-1-2 anymore because they took that high, but it's a complex 1-2. Okay, so you have a wave 1 to the downside, and then you have a 3. You could call this 3 and then 5. That might be a way you look at that as a flat. Okay, or you can say this is boom, boom, boom. Actually, let's do it this way. 5, 3, 5 to there. Now we got the 3-wave pullback. So it could be just the beginning of more woes, okay, to the downside. Let me just take a peek at XRP, see what she's doing, because she's kind of pumping right now.
What the fuck? He couldn't even figure it out. He was bullshitting his way through that right there, big time. See, and he was going through Elliott wave theory, and Elliott wave theory goes by your bias. If you're bullish, it's gonna look bullish. You know, if you're bearish, you're gonna draw it to look bearish. But break of structure, you can't be biased, and you can't be at all, because if you break structure, it is what it is. You can't be like, oh, it's broke structure bullish, but it's bearish. No, brother, it's still it's bullish. Let's see. Airborne Vest says, keep going up, Doge. Yo, facts. 3609. Let's go, Dogecoin. We're still moving. Yo, let's go. Hope y'all doing good. Yo, legit. Yeah, that's why we trade break a structure, because you can't be biased on break a structure. Break a structure, it is what it is. You can't argue with it. It is what it is, and there's nothing you could do about it. That's why we trade break a structure. But Ellie wave theory goes to your own bias of bearish and bullish. So, because that's why he was struggling to figure it out, trying to bullshit his way through the numbers, and it didn't work. So, see, but you can't bullshit break a structure. If it breaks, it breaks. You can't bullshit that. That's why we trade break a structure, because there's no bias in break a structure. It is what it is, and there's nothing you could do about it until it breaks structure again, and that's just because it's own doing. So right now we are in a bullish structure because we have a higher high. So bullish structure as of we have right now. So it is what it is, and you can see it for yourself. Nothing more. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Hope y'all doing good. All right, legit.
All right, so what was I saying? So yeah, this could be what looks like, just trash, but that could be a 1-2 to the downside, some kind of weird and ugly 1-2. Now it is ugly. They did take that top out, so that does throw the count off quite a bit, because I had it as a 1-2. Okay, again, it's possible that this is just a three-wave pullback. It looks very much like that, but I don't think that's what it is at all. I think it's just designed to look like that. We might get a bit of a pullback here, retesting that breakout in Bitcoin, and then more down. Okay. Okay. Now, let's look at a couple other tops here, just so you can kind of see topping formations here. First off, let's go and look at the previous all-time high, way back in the day. Uh-oh, what happened? There we go. Okay, right here. The previous all-time high, right there. Okay, you had boom, boom, boom. We took the high out, and then it just came down 3. Okay, so you can take these highs out, and it can look like a flat at the top, and it looks like then it.
And he doesn't understand that we did that after going parabolic. We haven't even gone parabolic yet. That's how I know this guy's new. This guy's comparing this area to the top of the bull market after everything went parabolic. If you know that you've been in the space for a while and for previous runs, we haven't even gone parabolic yet. So that's how I know this person's brand new. So he's just trying to fake it till he makes it, basically. That's why he's bearish. Okay, so this person's just new, trying to get clicks and views. It is what it is. Alright, let's see if anybody else is saying anything. Let's see what this guy's saying.
Trump is weird or sketchy. That doesn't matter. It really doesn't. If you don't like his meme coins, it does not matter. And it does not change the bull market. It does not change the macro cycles. Right before the next major liquidity wave.
Interesting.
Expansion. So here's his chart. And this oscillator down here just looks so nice in terms of lining up.
Let's go DogeCoin 3614 pushing to the upside. 101K $710. Bitcoin pushing to the upside. Looking bullish. Stock RSI is hitting the floor for Dogecoin. At these prices, possible more room to go to the upside. That's good. Let's see if you can have a nice rebound to the upside. That'll be real good. Hell yeah.
Explode. And so let's look at Bitcoin charts though. Here's Bitcoin on the, on the zoomed out monthly. The thing I wanted to bring up on this chart was kind of lining up with his oscillators that we just looked at. Look at this, previous cycles. And I think we got a top early on this last cycle, but historically Bitcoin on this oscillator, the monthly oscillator, this RSI, slower moving momentum oscillator, has, topped out up here, around 97. Right now, it's around 75. The power move has not even happened yet. That's number one. That's the monthly chart. But here we are in the daily chart, and I don't know, sometimes I lose what I had charted. But let's look. So we've been pretty much just tracking this, at least I have, and you can see. I mean, Bitcoin has not been too volatile. Bitcoin fell below $100,000 today. You can see that wick on this yesterday's candle, as well as today's candle below 100, and currently, seeing a little support. And what's cool about this Bitcoin chart, and we're going to look at altcoins and way more volatile, not necessarily some blue chips, but some meme coins. Meme coins kind of getting destroyed, everybody. And that's what's kind of like getting me. Because genuinely, I think it's going to be a meme coin super cycle. I think even more so now. And they're getting destroyed. And to me, that's just looks like just some cheap crypto. And even while I'm doing the live stream, I might miss the bottom. I might miss the bounce. Come on, Trump needs more money. How is this for the people? Thank you for the super chat, Investor Bill. I appreciate it. That's the thing. I was telling I think, who was I telling? I was having a chat actually with somebody in the ecosystem, I think. I was like, Trump's not, a lot of people are saying he's rug pulling. And I really don't think that he's I don't think his main motive here was hey guys, I'm becoming president. I think I have a way to make some quick money. On the surface level, maybe you think that and see that, but that's not what's happening. How sure are you? Thanks for the super chat. How sure are you that Trump and family are bullish on ETH? I mean, the fact that their company, World Liberty Fi, is buying ETH like crazy, I'm pretty sure is bullish. And the very fact that Eric Trump is saying he's reposting ETH purchases, basically saying, wait until you see what they do tomorrow. By the way, we'll look at an Ethereum chart. Of course we will. I hope it's different than every other time we look at an Ethereum chart. So Bitcoin on the daily, obviously looking nice. Long story short. So
we're pumping, chat. We're pumping. Big DogeCoin 36.33, nicely pushing to the upside. Bitcoin 101K, $949.92. Very bullish. Dogecoin 36.36. Oh, we're gonna have to pump it up. We're pumping. All right, we're gonna pump it up because we're definitely pumping to the upside. Hell yeah, let's get it.
You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, 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 don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
All right, we're still doing good. We're still doing good. We're still at 36.34, which is nice. Let's see. Timur Q said, have you seen Elon Musk's word today? It was so awkward. What do you mean? What happened? I'm not understanding. ¿Qué pasó? What happened? Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I have no idea. But it's all good. Ain't no worries. It's all good. All right. Yes, it's all good. Yo, 36.38, 36.37. All right, all right. Nice, nice, nice. All right, let's see what he's saying. BTC on the daily. All right.
About this for quite some time now. The potential for a throwback. And it could happen.
Let's see. Can we watch it? Where can we watch it? Is it on x.com? Is it here? Is this it? What should I do? X save. What? On YouTube. Yeah, where? Okay, but from where though? What's the title of it? Yeah, what's the title of the video so we can look it up? We're back testing our 20 EMA right now as we speak for Bitcoin and Dogecoin. Stock RSI is trying to reset at current prices. So that's good. Stock RSI is hitting the floor, trying to curve to the upside on the 1 minute. So that's good. Elon Musk Trump word? Elon Musk? Elon Musk Trump word? Hold on. Elon Musk Trump word? That was 3 hours ago? You talking about that? Which one was it? Which one was it? This one? Which one? The first one here, 1, 2, or 3? Which one was it? 1, 2, 3, or 4. There you go. 1, 2, 3, or 4. And 0 for none. 0 for none. That's from the 3 hours ago? Okay, let's see, let's see. Wait. They're all 3 hours. They're all 3 hours. The number 2, this one, number 2? Okay, number 2. Okay, let's see what's going on number 2 real quick. Alright, number 2, you appreciate it. Let's see what he's saying. Let's see what he's saying. Alright.